Want to know more about us? Follow ahead. Our vision is to empower the generation with simplified learning. Our mission is transforming every home into an educational institution. Our mission lies in our name, that is to bring secondary teaching at home, revolutionizing home learning using innovations and technology, thereby making learning convenient, more attentive, and cost-effective. We are Pathshala at Home. Let's take a look. Not once, not twice, but every time we all come across one or many problems when it comes to giving the best learning support to our dear ones. Which starts with hunting for any better coaching class or tutor from nearby, which can help your child to compete academically till your child is in high school. The problem doesn't end there. Once they pass their high school, you still have to look for any best institution, nearer or farther, who can help your ward prepare for entrance examination for his or her bright career. Parents spend considerable time and 10 to 20% of their income for getting better education for their children, but yet are not 100% satisfied. According to a recent survey, parents often have one or more of the listed concerns. 1. No personal attention. 2. Larger batches in classes. 3. Heavy fees but no result. 4. No selected notes and no progress report. 5. No good teachers and no counseling and mentoring. And last but not least, fear of online vulnerability if not used with guidance. We assure you, you can stop your hunt now. We are a dedicated academic caretakers who have benefited thousands by the approach we follow in coaching your child academically. With a combined experience of more than 100 years into teaching, we excel in nurturing the learning ability of your child. We ignite the inner learning ability of your child. Align them to most suitable study pattern, increase their performance, and help them achieve their dream. With regular tests, digital progress report and personalized guidance, we have successfully planted hundreds of success stories. We truly are one of the best gifts to your child. We are Pathshala at Home.